I have a dream to journey to a faraway land, a country once unfamiliar, where the warmth of its people shines through every gentle smile and every heartfelt greeting. A land blessed with majestic nature, with breathtaking scenes I had never imagined. Places so beautiful they made me whisper, "Wow, this is Vietnam." Behind the handlebars, our adventure unfolded. Across endless winding roads, through challenges and trials, the rain that soaked us, the burning sun, the veil of morning fog, the mud, the stones, and the rushing streams that blocked our way. But with every obstacle, we grew stronger. Together with my friends, we broke through our own limits. When we fell, we rose again. When the path disappeared, we carved our own road. Fueled by determination, bound by laughter and friendship, we rode on, hand in hand, heart to heart, and completed this unforgettable journey. This is our story, the story of friends from America discovering Vietnam, a story of courage, connection, and joy, a memory that will live forever in our hearts. This is the story with Vietnam motorbike tour expert.
great.
Yeah.
It's fun.
Yeah, come on. Used to wait.
Yeah, very well.
And each person like Larry, I fucking love his kind of behavior. You are a real rider. Yeah, I like you. Really like you. And
Thank you. I'll give you that.
David, non-alcoholic man. No rice wine, no beer. Calm right. That's only one. You too focused on the bike. You never look around. Too focused on the bike. You're right. Everybody say right on the road, but you didn't see. You just go. Twice.
You saw that?
Twice.
Hey, you did it
And
once too.
Tony, good rider. I told you I had crocodile. I love Tony. And big drinker. Big drinker. And Thomas. So hopefully to see you guys again.
Thanks, Sean. Very nice to meet you all.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, buddy. I'll never ride
Thank you.
Very nice to meet you. See you again. Goodbye, see you again.
Bye. Might put me